Okay, this is a video of me doing something random and stupid. I just wanted to make it. My hair look okay?
Yes, you have. You talk louder than the
yeah,
mic
like the mic is right. Oh, I'm getting close. Okay, never mind. Anyway, yeah, I just made a video. Being turn down TV. You got the family in the background. But yeah. You see, I have a nice phone. You want to see right my hair? No. Anyway, she should be making YouTube videos because she always on YouTube addicts. But that's besides the point. But I'm gonna leave this video getting a little long, so bye YouTube.